Hello my dear students, I hope you all are healthy, fit and fine. This is chapter 3 video part 2. In this video we are going to learn about how to start Windows 10, components of its screen, selecting and deselecting icons, moving an icon, opening a program, arranging desktop icons and sorting them. Children, you can start Windows 10 by turning on the computer. Once the computer is turned on, the Windows 10 will start automatically. You will see a lock screen. Just press enter key. Once you press enter key, it will ask for a password. Once you enter the password, you will see a desktop screen. In this way, Windows 10 can be opened. Components of Windows 10 screen is displayed here. We will going to learn about each of them one by one. Desktop. The very first screen which you see after turning on the computer is known as desktop. These are the parts or components of desktop. Desktop icons, start button, active taskbar, middle taskbar or notification area. Icons. Icons are the small images or pictures on the desktop. It represents a program or windows to the features. Programs can be opened by quickly double-clicking on the icons. Mouse pointer. Children, this white arrow is known as mouse pointer. It helps you to point, click or double-click the various items on the desktop. These are some examples of desktop icons. Start menu. Start menu is used to access programs on computer setting. It is divided vertically into two parts. Left part represents a list of all the installed apps or most used apps, whereas right part represents the features or selection of tiles and live tiles that you can customize, resize, reorganize. These square or rectangular pictures are called tiles in computer or Windows 10. Start button helps you to access apps and programs. It displays them, open them, change the setting and shut down the computer, etc. Taskbar. The bottom bar at the end of the desktop screen is known as taskbar. Taskbar is a long bar which helps you to notify, shows you the notify area and also helps you to tell you which programs you have opened. Active taskbar. Active taskbar shows you the left button and also the active programs. Notification area. Notification area has small icons that notify you about the tasks that are happening on your computer. It also shows you or display date and time. Working on desktop screen. Selecting and deselecting icons. Children, you can select an icon by just clicking on the icon you want, and you can deselect an icon just by clicking anywhere on the desktop screen. Moving an icon. You can move an icon anywhere on the desktop. Just click and hold the mouse button on the icon you want to move. Here I am moving paint icon, then drag it to the place where you want and then release the mouse button. You can see here it was the paint icon was here. Now it is shifted or moved to here. Opening a program. You can open a program by double clicking on its icon. Here I am opening MS Paint. By just double clicking on it, MS Paint will be opened. Arranging the desktop icons. You can arrange desktop icons, organize them, and right click on the desktop area. A menu will appear. Click on view. A pop-up menu appears. Just select the icons you want to arrange. You want large icons, medium, small, but here I am clicking on auto arrange icons. Computer will arrange them automatically. Sorting the icons. Children, you can sort the icons in alphabetical order, or you can according to the size of the icons, according to the item type, and according to the date it has been made or modified. Children, I hope whatever is taught to you is clear to you. Rest of the topic we will be covering in our next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.